Hi, and welcome to my professional CV. So today we're going to show you the CV template for aircraft maintenance engineer. So at the top of the CV, you'll see the personal details as such, and then we go into the profile of this particular CV template. So we've got an accomplished aircraft maintenance engineer. We then in the profile should say what key skills are and key strengths are. So here we've got adept at solving technical problems with a strong knowledge in both mechanical and electrical systems, possesses a natural ability to understand, interpret, and analyze complex systems. You'll then see that we've got a number of key skills: flight maintenance, avionic technical knowledge, fault diagnosis, and so forth. And then we go into the career history of a aircraft maintenance engineer, and you'll see here we've got about 8 bullet points of generic duties. So here we've got responsible for the checking and maintenance of aircraft and ensuring the aircraft is safe to fly, emergency diagnosis and repairing faults that occur in flight or on the ground, maintaining aircraft to industry standard. And then we've got our professional training and education, typically with somebody who has pursued a career as a aircraft maintenance engineer. So we have typical school. We've then gone on to do aviation engineering, degree in aircraft engineering, and then we have the aircraft maintenance license. So the CV templates are easy to download, they're easy to customize. If you do want help with the customization of the CV, you can request that through the website with a CV edit or update. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all or you need any help with your CV. So good luck with the job search, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Bye now.